Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Samsung dryer 3C code in 2026. So before hopping on to the solutions, we need to first of all understand what this error actually means. So the 3C code is triggered when the dryer senses that the motor is not running properly or not reaching expected speed. So this can be caused by overload or belt related issues or sometimes sensors problems. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to start with the simplest but the most effective step. If the dryer is overloaded, simply remove some of the clothes. A heavy load put stress on the motor and it can then trigger the 3C error. After doing so, you just have to simply open the door and then you need to rotate the drum by hand. It should move smoothly without any resistance. If it feels tight to you or stuck, there may be a belt or internal obstruction issue. After doing so, you need to also check inside the drum edges and lint area. The small items like coins or fabric pieces can get stuck and then block the rotation. Now, after doing all of these steps, you can just simply perform a quick reset. In it, you just have to first of all unplug your dryer, then wait for simply about 3 to 5 minutes, then plug it back in and start the cycle. So this reset alone is going to clear the temporary motor or the sensor related errors if there are available. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.